Alright, so I decided I need to bring this up just a little bit. Testing, testing, testing. Yeah, that should be good enough. Okay, so I have decided to go ahead and do a tutorial on the sound effects script. Basically, all I've basically set up a baseline script where it's going to look at all the audio sources in the scene, and this was just a public float to make sure that it was interacting with the volume, and it was. So I went ahead and did using Unity UI, because we will be using a UI. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Well, actually, I'll leave that in there so that's why I don't run into any errors. I actually want to type in slider right here. And this will be called volume slider. And so is what I want to do is I actually want to hit Control C on that, and the volume will equal the volume slider dot value. And so once we have all of these components inside the scene, is what we can do then. Wait for it to load. For all the scenes that we're going to be working within, all we have to do is just type in T audio source. And we'll see that the only audio source that's on here right now is... Wait, do we have an audio source? We do have audio for the menu as well. So right now we're working with this. I'm going to go ahead and lock this in place. And all we have to do is just click on both of these, drag it in here, and the next thing we'll need to do is make sure that for the options menu, we have SFX volume slider, and that goes in here. So this way, anything that we move that to, it'll interact with the volume. Since we have done that, we no longer need this public float, and we are good to go. So that's it for this tutorial.